My name is Lucy Wallingford. I own a business called Slick Rock Adventures. We're located in Moab, Utah, and we have an adventure tour business on an island in Belize. I have taken SEO courses before, and I took this one because it's been a while, and I wanted to find out how things have changed. The course exceeded my expectations. I learned a lot of things I didn't know, even though I spend many hours of every week working on SEO on my website. I would definitely recommend this to other business owners, small business owners especially, because it's a real hands-on course and you can learn how to do the SEO for your own website.
I handle online marketing for 3 different companies. I came hoping to learn at a deeper level what I was already doing from having learned it on my own, like a lot of people. And Ross's workshop more than met my expectations. It was very condensed. It seemed like we covered a lot of ground in a very short period of time, but I didn't feel overwhelmed. Ross has a way of helping you kind of overcome that tendency to be overwhelmed because there's just so much to cover. And he did such a great job at condensing it down and giving you the practical tools so you could solve problems starting right away. I would highly recommend this to anybody, any business, small or large, and anybody at all who's involved in online marketing.